Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Beautiful with It. And today I'm going to talk about apple cider vinegar and its benefits and uses. So apple cider vinegar, that is organic apple cider vinegar, is top most natural health remedies which doesn't have any side effects. So this is the apple cider vinegar which I'm going to talk about in the video. But before starting, let me tell those people who do not know what is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is fermented juice of crushed apples. So everybody knows how much apples are beneficial for your health. But once this juice is fermented, the crushed apple juice is fermented, it gets more beneficial. I mean, it gets loaded with lot of nutrients. If I start to name the nutrients, this video will be very long. A to Z nutrients, it out. And acetic acid which it has, it kills the unwanted bacteria when it comes in contact with it. So it naturally acts as an antibiotic, and because it is loaded with so many nutrients, it provides you numerous benefits for your skin, for your digestion, for your immunity and your overall health, and that also without side effects, as I mentioned earlier. So let us begin the benefits and uses. I'm going to give you loads of benefits and uses for this apple cider vinegar, but let me make it very clear that the benefits and uses will only work when you take a proper organic apple cider vinegar and trust a proper brand of apple cider vinegar, because there are so many apple cider vinegars available in the shopping grocery stores. But trust proper apple cider vinegar, then only these benefits of what I'm going to show you further in the video will be working on you instantly. So the brand I'm going to talk about is this from zenithnutrition.com. I only trust zenithnutrition.com. You can visit. All the links of this site will be there in the description box below if you want to order. Apple cider vinegar is like the pure organic apple cider vinegar, will be little costly. So this bottle is around 425 rupees for 500 ml, and this is how the packaging looks like. Apple cider vinegar with goodness of mother vinegar. You also need to see that it has mother fibers into that apple, crushed apples. And if you read over here, it's written that it's processed from natural Himalayan apple juice, unfiltered and unpasteurized, fermented with scientifically optimized process. And also you have to see that the ingredients list has to be apple juice fermented with 5% of acidity. So that also has to be seen while you take apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar is always has to be diluted. So one bottle of 500 ml will last you like 1.5 years. So because you do not have to consume apple cider vinegar directly, you have to always take it diluted. Like in one glass of water, you just take 1 or 2 teaspoons because it's very, very sour in taste. So you have to dilute it in water and have it on empty stomach for your digestion problems. That I'll go in further in this video. And so this is how the bottle looks like, and I'll just show you. And all the details are mentioned nicely on the carton as well as on the bottle. So this is how the apple cider vinegar looks like. And it's very, very yummy. So if you see very clearly, you can see in the solution there is this fermented one things down. So it is written over there that you have to first shake the bottle and then use it, because vinegar contains suspended mother that settles at the bottom. You have to shake it well before use. So that is what I wanted to tell you. Whenever you buy an apple cider vinegar, see in the bottom there should be the mother vinegar settled at the bottom, and it's working great and can be used and multiple uses, which I'm going to tell you in further in this video. So let us get started. Of ACV is ingestion, that is intake of ACV, that I told you in a glass, 1 cup of glass you have to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ACV. Now what will happen if you take this intake of ACV? Ingestion of ACV helps you to reduce acid reflux in your tummy. It lowers your cholesterol level, it lowers your blood pressure, it improves your diabetes, it maintains your weight. I mean, it helps to support weight loss. It prevents cancer, it lowers your cholesterol as I mentioned, and it reduces any risk of heart diseases. So there are multiple uses just by taking a glass of apple cider vinegar early in the morning on empty stomach. Unfiltered ACV, that is what I'm holding in my hand right now. So unfiltered ACV is a liver tonic. So it detoxifies your liver, detoxifies your whole body, and it maintains your pH of your body into a neutral condition, and it also stimulates the cardiovascular stimulation. So it's very, very great for detoxifying your body. Third use of ACV is for your hair. Now ACV has properties that can clean your scalp thoroughly. It can clean your hair shafts. If they are like, you're having a very polluted hair, you can definitely clean it with ACV. Now what you have to do is, like, if you have an empty shampoo bottle, so just pour 1 teaspoon of ACV into that and 1 glass of water, and just keep it in your bathroom. Once you have done with your shampoo, after rinsing your hair with the shampoo, you just have to spray this solution on your hair and then wash it. Your hair and your scalp will be thoroughly clean. And trust me guys, ACV can make your hair shine. You have dandruff issues, this can help you a lot, and that also instantly. What you have to do is that you have to use a small bowl and dilute the ACV with water and apply that on the dandruff affected area on the scalp. Just apply it half an hour before bath and you will see the result. The dandruff will vanish instantly. The benefit of ACV is that for your teeth. Now those people who have stains on their teeth definitely can use ACV. Just take a drop of ACV, that is apple cider vinegar, and rub it on your teeth. Do this regularly and you will see that the stains are definitely going to reduce, because ACV's pH maintains that, and it removes. Just like 1 minute you have to rub, and you will see that the stains on your teeth will definitely reduce day by day. And ACV also helps in reducing bad breath, any teeth problems, and also any gum problems. So that's also great. It is very, very important for those people who face a lot of indigestion problems and acid reflux and imbalanced stomach. Basically, imbalanced stomach pH and lack of enzymes results in very bad acid reflux and heartburn. Many people cannot digest their food and they feel very, very burning sensation in their tummy. So this is very, very good for those people. Like what it does, that pH of ACV, it reduces your heartburn. What you have to do is that add 1 teaspoon of ACV in 1 glass of water. 5 minutes before any meal, you just have that and then take your meal. It will definitely reduce your acid reflux and heartburn. ACV intake can also promote weight loss. Yes guys, because I told you earlier that ACV helps to detoxify your body and it also controls the craving of sugar. So that's very, very good. It makes you feel full, so that's why it's very, very good, and it promotes weight loss also. Use of ACV is for those people who love pets. And if you have cats and dogs at your home, and if you want to get rid of the fleas infestation, what you have to do is mix 50-50% of apple cider vinegar and water in a tub and soak your pet into it for around 10-15 minutes, and voila, it will be clear with all the fleas and insects. Consuming ACV will lower your blood pressure. Vinegar actually reduces the fat from the blood and the cholesterol level of your body goes down. It lowers the cholesterol level. Actually, it is apple cider vinegar will remove the bad cholesterol and it increases the good cholesterol level in your body. Use of ACV is for fighting any seasonal allergies. Now what ACV does is that it breaks the mucus in your body and it helps supports lymphatic drainage. So it can boost your immunity to a very high level. And what you have to do is it can clear up all your sinus problems, So what you have to do is take 2 teaspoons, a very big teaspoons, in a very big glass of water and have it twice in a day for any seasonal allergies. Next, ACV acts as antifungal and antibacterial properties which it has. It can clear all the fungal infections on your skin or on your head, anywhere. So it's very, very good to kill all the funguses as well. Next is for your skin toner. Yes, girls out there who is like wanting a natural toner for their body, the ACV's pH is great to make it as an excellent toner for your skin. Dilute it with water and use it as a toner. You will see that the pH of your skin gets maintained very nicely and you will reduce your pimple and acne to a very, very great extent. Cold and sore throat, seasonal allergies, ACV will come to your rescue. ACV has loads of vitamins and probiotics and enzymes which can help to cure your cold and sore throat. What you have to do is take 2 teaspoons of ACV in 1 glass of water and have it 3 times in a day to cure a cold. ACV is little private. Yes, you can disinfect your private parts with ACV. ACV maintains the pH of your body and that's why it's having antibacterial and antifungal properties. You can use it to disinfect your private areas, vaginal infections and all that will be getting rid of. You have to use 1/4 of ACV and 3/4 of water in a mug and wash your private parts with it. What will happen is can get rid of all the bacteria, yeast and dirty and unhealthy stuff. ACV is loaded with so many nutrients like antibacterial, antibiotic, antifungal properties. Yes, it can cure your insect bites instantly. Use of ACV is for your overall health. Guys, I have given you so many uses of and benefits of ACV. Just taking ACV in your body will help you reduce your digestion problems. It can detoxify your body. You will have an inner glow because it will maintain your pH level. And you have food. once you have food, you do not get all the nutrients which you have in your food. So ACV, while taking ACV just 5 minutes before your meal, will help you to absorb all the nutrients which you have from your food. It also, let me tell you that the milk enzymes, the milk proteins which you have, like in your milk, it's very, very difficult to digest by some people, you know. By taking ACV, you can also digest those milk proteins also. So it's that good. So I hope you have liked this video and the information provided about the ACV. If you have any doubts and related to any of the points, you can definitely write in the comment section down below. I will help you and I'll assist you towards using ACV. Really guys, trust me on that. One bottle of ACV is to be a must in everybody's house. I have been liking it so much and it's giving me and showing me so many results that it's great, and there are numerous benefits. I've just named a little few in this video, and I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, thoroughly enjoyed it, click a like down below, and if you're watching this channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button down with a bell icon notification on. So till then, I see you in my next video. Be beautiful, be gorgeous, and always keep smiling. Bye.